good, mate. Good.
So here we are at Mermaid Waters on our project here. We're just doing our external cladding. So we actually had our first day, our first stage. We wanted to get as much cladding up as possible before the scaffolding got in the way. We just found it was a whole lot easier. Get it up to about head high, and then we introduce the scaffolding, and then we can go up from there. So we've cladded out at this point all our long runs down both sides. We've actually used solar force this time, so it means we haven't had to batten it out, which has saved us a fair bit of labour and time as well. So we're able to fix directly onto that, and away we go. So come and check out inside. We've got quite a big grand entrance, and this time around we've actually gone for a curved stairway. Now that comes with its challenges as well. They're not cheap, but hopefully that's the result will be worth the effort. We've got a big wide open area out onto the canal, so we really want to take advantage of that. So where you're coming to now, you're actually out to an open plan kitchen, dining and living room, all looking out to probably the showstopper, which is our wide water views out to our left. So it's a big space, feels enormous. We've got this huge stack of doors. We wanted to kind of remove the differentiation between the outdoor and in. So this will all stack away and come out to an outdoor kitchen and a large patio area. And then we've got a large decking area out into the pool. Again, all taking advantage of the views. I'm slugging away at this now. There's a little piece in here, which is a bit of fun. Because we've got the width of the house, we actually had some extra space, and we wanted to dedicate that to a study. Now you can see a template here for a bar, so it's more turning into a bar slash study.
Perfect. Good spot for it.
Yeah. So this idea was to actually have this as a designated work area over here, but we've kind of infiltrated it with a bit of a leisure area as well.
Cool. So curvy staircase, eh?
Yeah, so up to here, so we've got this big curved staircase which comes out onto this landing. So it's and then that comes out to our view. So we've at this elevated position, we've got a nice view of the Gold Coast skyline, which is great. We've got nice big ceilings all the way through here, and then out to this outdoor area. So this is a real
Don't stand there.
Yeah, and it actually
nice.
showcases how big that pool's going to be.
So this is the open plan living.
Yeah, they call it Teenagers Retreat. I guess it's that second lounge is kind of what's in style for that kind of space up here, and then access out to here. When we last did a build, we weren't necessarily thought that the main bedroom was big enough, so we thought we'd give it a little bit more size. As a result, it's enormous.
It's huge.
But it's a really good space. We're going to just build in a day bed in front of these bay windows. I guess this is the key. This is the best view, the best part of the house, going out to that bay.
Yeah, it is.
And then we've always said that you get a key to a good house, or getting the house done right, is a great walk-in robe and a great ensuite. So we've got a huge walk-in robe here, ladies and gents. I'm very aware that the gents part will get allocated to the ladies as time goes on. And then we've got this large ensuite, so we've got a double shower in here, ladies and gents again, a freestanding bar, big vanity, toilet. So it's a big space, but we wanted to really kind of overdo the ensuite.
I think you did that.
And then through here, so it's so you go to our kids. Pretty big for a kid's room for sure, but it's our first guest room, our first bedroom. It's got also have a nice big bay window, looking out over that with another day bed. A huge bed in here. Main bathroom with a wet room, so the shower and bathroom are effectively one. So you you can spill as much water as you want, but it all drains away. With a separate toilet, so you can actually use that. You can use those. Somebody's not in the bathroom and you can't use the toilet, so to speak.
Yeah.
Another oversized bedroom with its own walk-in robe. We've actually got another 2 bedrooms up here that instead of having 2 small en-suites for them, we actually give them a shared jack and chill. So this has got its own entrance through its walk-in robe, and then this other bedroom around here has got its own entrance as well.
Cool.
So that's big upstairs. It's once all the frames went up, we thought, God, what have we done? There's a lot of it, and but it should come up a treat from here.
Timber looks great too. Look at that, nice. That's what you were doing last time I was here. Great job.
Yeah, we've done a lot since then.
One of the best things about doing custom design kit homes is when you actually get to go and see them. This is the second Imagine Kit home that Shane has built. From the slab up to this point has been 10 weeks. It's about 650 square metres, and they're just getting the windows for the top level in now. So they've already put the cladding on the lower level, which is all linear board from James Hardy, and rather than using the batten system, they've used the thermal wrap called Solar Force, and that acts as a thermal break and a cavity batten at the same time. We've got Queeler posts up the front, and it's obviously steel frames and trusses, 3 metre high ceilings,